Global teams need more than just devices. They need the right setup to be productive from day one. Devices, applications and access, security and support. And they need it to work everywhere. For HR and IT, this is where things often break down. Manual processes, disconnected systems, too many vendors in the middle, onboarding slows, teams wait when they should be working. Deel IT changes this at the source. It starts with one moment. You click Hire. That single action sets everything in motion. Devices are provisioned, applications and access are assigned automatically, security policies are applied by default, shipping is triggered, and support is already in place. No handoffs, no follow-ups. Everything moves forward together. Before, global onboarding meant emails, spreadsheets, and chasing vendors. One system for devices, another for access, support that showed up after something went wrong. After, everything runs through one automated system, consistently, automatically. Once the process starts, it doesn't stall. Setup happens in the background, devices move across borders, access and security stay aligned. What used to take days now happens without manual steps. So when day one arrives, nothing is missing. Employees open their laptops, they log in, the tools they need are already in there. Work starts immediately. It doesn't matter where teams are hired. Different countries, different time zones, the experience stays the same. One process, one system everywhere. Behind every device, security is already in place. Access is controlled, devices are managed, endpoint protection is always on. And when issues come up, support is ready. Real people, 24/7, across every region. This is what it looks like when IT becomes the backbone of global work. Not something teams have to think about, just something they can rely on. You click Hire, Deel IT handles the rest, so teams can start faster and stay productive wherever they work.